Alright guys, I'm gonna try and make an actual video of this, but this time I'm not gonna film the whole thing because that seems to be difficult for me to do. So I'm just gonna do it and show a video throughout it and see how that turns out. So I'm taking my vest off from work. So basically, I'm gonna turn the camera around. It's my girlfriend's truck. It's a 1998 K1500. It's gonna pop the hood. We got going on here is it's got a major coolant leak. I have suspicions that it's her water pump, which is way back in there, right there. And we're gonna be replacing that. It's that one right there. So take you guys along for the journey. I think I'm gonna do this easiest way possible. Might be able to get away with just taking the fan shroud off and whatnot. We'll see. So we'll just go ahead and take you guys along for the journey and see how it goes. See if we can't make a full video out of this. So I will catch you guys once I get started. All right, so got the water pump out. It's right here. So spins pretty freely. It's looking a little rough though. Here's where it was. It's one of the intakes and exhaust for it. Runs right in there. The gaskets look pretty bad, so I'm gonna go with, you know, that's kind of what did it. But yeah, once I get the old gasket off of it, I should hopefully be able to just throw the new gaskets on, stick that bad boy back on there after I switch out the counterbalance, and then it should all be good. All right, got the gaskets put off. Gotta see what it's back on there. So we got this guy off of the old one, which is sitting over there now. Put some blue Loctite on it, keep her sealed in there, and get that done. Put the gaskets on, set it back in the truck, put it back together, and run it. Make sure all the air's out of the system, and hope it works. See you guys when installing it. Alright, so got it all in, got coolant in her. Can you focus? There we go. Idling it high, trying to see if she's gonna go down in temperature. Oh, yep, going down. That's what we like to see. Alright guys, so finish it up. Ran her, she's running great. Cools down properly. Not overflowing antifreeze, it's spilling it out like it was doing, so everything's working out now. Now I'm just finishing cleaning up everything. I'm gonna go pack out, put back together. And finally I fully made a video, because I've tried to do this a couple other times. A few other repairs, and I keep on getting sidetracked and not fully recording it. So here is to many more to come. Let me know if you guys want to see more. Cheers.